Hello guys, today we will discuss about how to use the TikTok sound as a ringtone. There is two steps. First of all, first you download that video from this share button, and then there is an option of saving that video and then save to your gallery. First of all, this option, when you save that video, then use the converting app of video to audio, and then you can convert your video to audio. Then when you complete that process, you convert your video to audio, then simply select that video and choose as a ringtone and use as a ringtone. That is the process to use a TikTok sound as a ringtone. Thank you for watching.